Are you tired of trading time for money? Dreaming of early retirement, financial freedom, and the ability to pursue your own passions? Then you need to understand one of the most important indicators of your ability to achieve just that: your savings rate. In this video, we'll break down exactly what your saving rate is, why it's the most crucial factor in building wealth, and how to dramatically increase yours. So get ready to unlock your financial potential. What is a savings rate? At its core, your savings rate is the percentage of your after-tax income that you consistently set aside and invest. This is extremely important to understand because oftentimes people assume that if you make more money, then you're automatically wealthier. But that is not the case. If you bring home $5,000 but spend all of it, then you have no way to save and invest. But let's say you earn $5,000 per month after taxes and spend only $4,000. Now you're able to save $1,000. That'll always be better than someone earning $10,000 a month but spending all of it. It's not just about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. It's about consistently choosing to prioritize your financial future. Why is savings rate so important? Now, here's where the magic happens. The true power of your savings rate lies in the magic of compound interest. Imagine your savings as a growing tree. Every dollar you save is like planting a seed. Over time, that seed grows, producing more seeds, and that one tree turns into a forest, expanding exponentially. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small, consistent savings can snowball into a significant fortune over decades. Let's say two people start saving at age 25. Steve saves 10% of his income, while Sarah saves 30%. Assuming similar investment returns, Sarah will accumulate significantly more wealth over her lifetime. This can mean earlier retirement, the ability to travel the world, or the freedom to pursue her passions without financial constraints. So how do you calculate it? Calculating your savings rate is easier than you might think. Here's how you do it. 1. Track your income. This part may be the easiest. Gather all of your income streams, your day job, the part-time work you pick up driving for Uber, or the side hustle mowing lawns that you do. Anything that brings in money, make note of it. 2. Track your expenses. This is where you can use technology to help you. You can use apps like YNAB or Empower to help you get an idea of how much you're spending and where it's going every month. 3. Calculate total savings. Combine all of the money that you're saving or investing. That money you put aside for your emergency fund, include it. Are you investing in an after-tax IRA or 401k? Add those numbers as well. Don't forget any other money you might be investing into a brokerage or even crypto. 4. Divide savings by income. Now that you've got how much money you're saving and investing, divide that number by your after-tax income. For example, if you're bringing home $5,000 a month after taxes, and you're saving $250 to your emergency fund, putting $500 into your IRA, and another $500 into your brokerage for a total of $1,250, then you divide $1,250 by $5,000 for a percentage of 25%, which is an excellent savings rate. How do you increase it though? So now that you know your savings rate, maybe you're not happy about where it is or you want to increase it. Let's look at a couple of strategies to boost it. The first and easiest step is simply to cut unnecessary expenses. You could do this in any number of ways. One of the biggest expenses in most people's budgets is food. Take an audit and see if you can cut down this expense category. Plan your meals in advance. This helps you create grocery lists, reduce food waste, and avoid costly bills associated with eating out. That daily takeout lunch, it might seem small, but they add up significantly over time. Find cheaper alternatives or eliminate it altogether. Entertainment is another budget line item that can always be audited. Go through your bank and credit card statements and take a look at your recurring subscriptions. Cancel unused subscriptions to streaming services, gym memberships, or any other services you're not actively using. Embrace DIY. Instead of hiring someone for small repairs or home improvement projects, try to tackle them yourself. You'll save money and gain valuable skills. Now, there's only so much you can cut out, so at some point you'll have to stop. But the next step has no ceiling. Increase your income. Explore side hustle opportunities like freelancing, driving for rideshare services, selling crafts online, or even starting a small business. It's never been easier to make money. In the same way, invest in yourself and increase your skill set. This could allow you the opportunity to negotiate a raise or even find another job that pays a higher salary. Automate your savings. Let's say you're making enough to have money to put aside, but you don't often do it or you're not doing it consistently. This is where automating your savings can help. Set up regular transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts. This way, you're paying yourself first and removing the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. And don't forget those employer retirement plans. If your employer offers an employer retirement plan like a 401k, a 403b, or a thrift savings plan, contribute at least enough to get the full match if offered. But even if a match isn't offered, these plans are tax advantaged, either pre-tax or after tax, so take advantage of them. But where do you find the money? Let's be honest, even with a solid budget, unexpected expenses can derail your savings goals. And some expenses aren't exactly unexpected, they're more impulsive. So let's identify some places where you might experience some money leaks and how to plug them. Unnecessary fees. Particularly when it comes to bank account credit cards, pay close attention to payment dates as well as account levels so that you avoid unnecessary fees like ATM fees, overdraft fees, and late payment fees. Impulse purchases. For most people, this is a large portion of the unexpected expenses in their monthly budgets. You must shop intentionally. Give yourself a moment to take a step back and determine if you need the item you want to buy. Mindful spending is the key to breaking the cycle of impulsive purchases. Learn the difference between needs, essential things like food, shelter, and transportation, and wants, things like dining out, luxury items, and entertainment. Keeping up with the Joneses. Comparison has gotten many people into the trap of debt. Don't fall into the trick of comparing yourself to others and what they own. Focus on your own financial goals and build wealth on your own terms. How do you stay motivated? Building a robust savings rate won't happen overnight. Much like wealth, it's a marathon and not a sprint, so staying motivated is crucial. Track your progress by setting milestones and reward yourself a little when you hit your goals. This not only keeps you motivated, but it reinforces positive behavior and habits. Write down your goals and visualize your financial future. Imagine the freedom and possibilities that come with financial security. Use this vision as a powerful motivator to stay disciplined and consistent. Write down the goals you have and the things you want to accomplish and the places you want to go. All of these things will help you stay motivated over the long run. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and share it with a friend. And we'll see you